The ongoing standoff with the People's Liberation Army in East Ladakh, which has resulted in the deployment of two S-400 anti-aircraft squadrons at Hotan airbase and Xinjiang and Nyingchi airbase in Tibet, just across Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh, has forced national security planners to start rethinking air defense and countermeasures. The situation is becoming increasingly complex. General Bipin Rawat, the Chief of Defense Staff, CDS, stated on Tuesday that air defense was becoming increasingly complex in the light of the proposed establishment of an Air Defense Theater Command. He said that there was extensive utilization of airspace, not just by planes and helicopters. While India is set to receive 5 squadrons of S-400 anti-aircraft systems from Russia beginning in December 2021, the anti-aircraft system's capability allows it to target a fighter 400 kilometers away. This means that any aircraft gaining altitude and stabilizing with the purpose of putting down a target becomes a target of this weapon system. Perhaps this is why the Indian Air Force, IF, is banking on the Hammer air-to-ground missile on the Rafale fighter as a future weapon, because the missile does not require firing from a high altitude. It just hugs the mountain features, zooms to a height when approaching the target, and then destroys it top-down at a 90-degree angle with the capacity of last-minute target adjustments using 3 different guidance systems apart from GPS. The IF has already tested the Hammer missile, and is already in its inventory, with the French even offering joint development and production of this long-range potent weapon. With a technologically advanced foe in the north posing a threat to India's air defense system, the fundamental question is whether India should invest in more planes and helicopters, or in stand-alone systems that would determine future battles. It really necessary for the IF to have 42 squadrons, when the Rafale can fly more than twice as many sorties as a Russian MiG, and the S-400 system is a game-changer in air defense? Perhaps the answer is for India to build additional armed UAV, rocket, and missile battalions capable of suppressing the adversary's troop and air defenses. For these reasons, the Indian military will shortly approach the government about purchasing armed Predator drones from the United States on a government-to-government basis.